don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora, and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video I want to be showing you how I create my face scrub. Do my face scrub weekly, once a week. So I will be showing you guys what I use in doing my face scrub. So for doing my face scrub, I got a lemon here and sugar. For the sugar, it's preferable to use the brown sugar, but since I don't have the brown sugar, I'll be going in with the white sugar. And you need a knife to cut your lemon and a spoon to help you mix it out. And before you start everything, you must make sure you wash all the things you're using properly, because it's going on your face. You want your face to not have any dirt on it before applying something on it. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll just go in now and cut my lemon into two, and I won't be using it all, it's too much. So I'll go in now with my sugar. I'll be using this quantity of sugar, so I put it inside. And I go in now with my lemon. Wow, the lemon has so much juice, And guys, please, for those who have not subscribed on my channel, please do make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. I got the tissue here to help me clean up my mess, So when you remove all the tissue, just go in and mix it properly. So guys, when you're done with your mixture, this is how your mixture should be looking like. It should be a thick substance. And when you're done with that, you just leave that aside and you go in now with your wipes. I got some makeup wipes here. You go in now and make sure you clean your face properly. You clean whatever thing that is there on your face, you just clean it all off. You guys can see I'm cleaning it very well, even though I got nothing on my face, no makeup, nothing. I just wash my face. It's good to always wash your face before you apply anything on your face. So just go in now with this wipe and I'll clean my face properly. And when cleaning your face, guys, it's always advisable to always go down through your neck. So guys, I got nothing on my face, even no makeup, nothing, because I watched your video. So I will just go in and start applying the scrub. So guys, this is my face with nothing. Most people always say, Anora, you don't need any scrub on your face, but guys, I know I need it. So you just go in and massage it gently. The sugar, it's still there, so you don't need to put too much force on it while doing the scrub. You just go in lightly and scrub your face out. You go underneath your eye. I got a little bit of dark circle. So when you do this scrubbing, guys, you have to let it sit. The more you let it sit, the more best results you can get from it. So I always let mine sit for about 10 minutes because I got no time. So I always just let it sit. I always let it sit for at least 30 minutes and then go in and wash the face. Your girl got some dark circles here. I'm fighting this out. I'm fighting with this every day with this dark circle. If anybody have any recipe for dark circle, please do a video for it. I'll be so pleased to watch. Even though you see me scrubbing this hard, I'm not going in it hard, you know. You have to take it gently. You know, the sugar have the scrub, so you really need to be gently with it. Underneath my eye got so much problem, so that's why I focus there so much. So guys, when you're done with this, you just let it sit. I've been scrubbing the face for at least 15 minutes or maybe more, so I've scrubbed the face enough, so I'll just let it sit now for the finishing result. So thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is my face. I've been sitting down for almost 30 minutes, and this is the final result I got. So I'll just be going in now and washing my face. So I'll just get in now to the bathroom and then watch it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. So guys, this is my face coming back from the bathroom. So now guys, I'll just go in now. I got the towel here, so I'll just go in now with it and damp my face. You don't need to just scrub it, you just damp the face. And guys, this is my finishing look. This is my face with nothing, as in after my scrub. This is how my face is looking like. I mean, this scrub is so good. I mean, so with just 2 items, your lemon and sugar, you got this look, guys. You got a smooth face. As you can see, my face is so smooth. I feel so soft. The face really really feels so soft. And now I'll just go in now and use my usual Vaseline. I always use Vaseline on my face, you know. I don't put on. So just go in now. Sorry, I didn't show you guys the quantity I used. It was just something like this, just a little. It was just something like this I used. So just go in now and apply it. Well, and Vaseline is always good to use. It's always advisable to use Vaseline on your face when it's wet. In any part of your body you want to use Vaseline, you should make sure it's damp a little bit. It's damp. You should not use the Vaseline on a dry skin. Yes, you can use Vaseline on a dry skin, but your skin should be damp with water. At least you should have, your body should be a little bit moist with water before you go in with the Vaseline on you. Okay, so when you use Vaseline, you'll get the best result. So I'm just going in and massaging the Vaseline. No, it's night. I'm about going to bed, so I need to massage it well to not have it on my pillow. So it's just Vaseline you guys using, you know. So guys, when you're done massaging and you think your face feel good and you're happy with the results you got, you just have to stop massaging. But for me, I always go in and massage my face. Like, I always go in and massage it for like 5 minutes, because I really love when the Vaseline get into my skin. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love the video. I hope the video is helpful to someone out there. I hope the video is helpful to you guys. You guys should help me share the video to your friends and loved ones, to anybody you think the video can be helpful to. So this is my face when I'm done with everything. This is how my face is looking like. So thank you all for watching. You guys are so helpful to my channel, so I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. Guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very, very much. So if you want to be seeing more of this kind of video, just let me know. So guys, without further ado, I love you all so very much. See you guys in my next video, and peace out.